Hi audience, my name is Jolivette, and I'm doing my persuasive speech on welfare and drug testing. I, for one, am in favor of having drug testing be done when a person applies for welfare. Through this speech, I'm going to give you certain reasons why I believe people should be tested before receiving welfare. But first, I'd like to go over what is welfare and how do you apply to give you guys a better background on it. Welfare was founded and started in the 1930s during the Great Depression. It basically is a program that gives assistance, whether it's income or housing, to people that need it. Originally, it was a federal program, meaning that the government, the national government, would control it and have the regulations constant throughout all the states. But since then, it is found that it's easier to have states control their own welfare program. These states will make recommendations on the income level that you need in order to be eligible for welfare and other circumstances such as those. There are different types of welfare programs. The unemployment is one that is a welfare program. If you are not currently working, you can apply for unemployment and they will give you a check per week that will help you pay bills and buy food and necessary things like that. Healthcare is another form of welfare. If you can't pay bills to get medical attention, they will find a way to get you the care that you need. Child care assistance and food stamps are two more examples of welfare programs. So how do you apply for welfare? Well, if you are interested in applying for welfare, you can go to your local city hall and fill out forms that will help you apply for welfare. You will be given a caseworker that will find your income per month, any other circumstances that may help you or hurt you in applying for welfare that they will find. Once she has gotten all the needed information that she needs, she will then make recommendations on how much you should get in welfare and what kind of welfare would be best fit for you. So what does all this mean? I think that, like I said earlier, I think that we should have drug testing in welfare programs. I feel that it is very irresponsible for our taxpayers to pay into these welfare programs, and we're giving money to people to buy alcohol and drugs when they are not working for their money. It's a very controversial issue. It's actually a very current issue. Mitt Romney, who is currently running for president, has been on the record for being very in favor for drug testing to be a national-wide thing when somebody is applying for welfare. Others state that it is very unconstitutional to go search into somebody's life when all they are doing is asking for help. I am one, like I said, in favor of it because I feel that it's going to prevent people from doing and consuming drugs to a certain point if they have to choose between either doing drugs or alcohol or feeding themselves or having a roof. I feel like more people are going to try to cut drugs out of their life. I also think it's very unfair to give people money that are using it for drugs and alcohol when there are other people out there that are clean and actually need help. I feel that if we kind of cut out the people that are using it for the wrong reason, we can focus more on people that really need the help, and we can give faster care and better care to those people. I feel that currently we are being enablers to people that are using alcohol and drugs. I feel that when they go get the money, instead of using it on either their children or themselves buying food and housing, they're going and turning around and spending it on unneeded items that they really shouldn't be doing in their current situation. I think that if they are serious about changing their life around, that they need to make a decision, and that they can't just be using this program to their advantage by enabling them to continue to buy drugs. This may become a vote in the near future, whether or not it should be like that or not, and it might all depend on who is president at the current time, whether they will put it through Congress and have it a national-wide thing. I strongly encourage you to think about this. Look at the facts that I've told you. I believe that America really needs to better use its welfare program and stop enabling people by just giving them money when they're turning around and using it in ways that it's not meant to be used for. Thank you.